Today we're going to look at the glute bridge and its 3 progressions: glute bridge, single leg glute bridge, and elevated glute bridge. I'm going to show you the correct way and the incorrect way to do it so we can really focus on our form, work on our technique, and get a nice tight booty. So let's take a look at the glute bridge. Often I see this exercise done incorrectly. What happens is people push up onto their shoulders and they let their alignment go so their knees separate and fall out to the side. So this is an incorrect glute bridge. Now let's look at the correct way. So making sure that your knees are directly over your ankles. You're going to make a deep pelvic tilt so your pubic bone comes towards your navel, and you try to keep your bra top on the mat. So your rib cage on the mat, a deep pelvic tilt here, pubic bone to navel, knees lined up, perfect kinetic chain. This is the correct way to do a glute bridge. Now let's take a look at the single leg glute bridge. Coming down to the mat, the incorrect way is to take this working leg too far out so that you've got no support here, and also not engaging in your core, so you're letting your rib cage open. So this is incorrect way of doing a single leg bridge. Now let's look at the correct way. So you want to make sure that your rib cage is knitted together, your core is engaged, and you're going to keep this underneath leg, bring that ankle in so it's in line with your knee. So now that you're supported and you can push up, perfect engaged, a fabulous single leg glute. The elevated glute bridge, I'm using a Bosu ball. Yep, because this is an unstable environment, it's forcing me to make sure that I'm using correct form, which is perfect for this video. So let's come down the incorrect way. We have feet in different positions and the butt too close, so that we're coming out here and you're pushing up too close, butt too close. The correct way, you can do it flat-footed, but the more beneficial way to really engage in your posterior chain is to flex your feet, put them in the center of the Bosu ball and dig down so that you're really activating your hamstring and glute and making sure that your butt's not too close to the Bosu ball, but your hips are underneath your knees. So when you do your deep tuck, so not here, you're going to do your deep tuck here and you're pushing those heels into that Bosu ball and keeping your stability. Correct? Incorrect.